Hey guys, let's have fun with this card. This is our card that came with the pack. But these two, this one, and this one, just came in my little box of cards. I got them for Christmas, so let's start with this one. So, goes through there, goes to the car wash. Let's put a little music. Bum, bum, bum. And now in the back. That tickles, that tickles. And we go through here. That's good because look. I wonder what this little thingy is for. Oh, it's so it could go up. So this is so it could go up. And then you're gonna have a little nice run off with this. Boom! And I hope that was fun. Dun dun! You can get off a little right here. And you just need to go over that. And you're already done with this car wash. Look how clean it is. And this is a very perfect gate for it. Wait, I have to do something, guys.
Throw me your jiu-jitsu pants. Are you putting your clothes on?
Okay, I'm back, guys. Well, come on. I just have to make this video. And look. Let's go through this car. Go through things. Oh, I forgot something. Beep, beep. Beep. Got this. Yeah. Bum, bum. Okay, let's start this car. Let's put on some music. Bum 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 bum. Okay, and on the back of the car is a really fun. That's it. Let's go back again and spin up. Beep beep beep. Let's just have fun with the cards. Let's go down. It said we can no repair. Let's have another repair for it. Because it crashed. Beep. After it pushes this button, it goes down. Repair wash. Get a little closer for you to see. Did you see that well? Let's put the away so you can see well. Then it's right there. Beep beep. Oh no, very quickly. See, that tickles. Beep 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 beep. Wow, it keeps on crashing. It still needs a repair. Bum bum. Last repair. Bum bum. Last repair. Yay! That's the flash repair. Going fast. We're probably gonna have to turn up the runoff. Wild. Beep. Wow. Why don't we do the for a little bit. How about if I take out this runoff for a little bit? It'll work. How do you think of that? After it hits this thing, it'll go back up. There. Don't worry about these things. Those are just the float and go. So, use a little orange thing in the back. Ta-da! But I'm not going to put it like that. I'm just going to leave it like this. In case it always falls. Okay, so beep, beep. Boom. Booyah. Come on, little sponges. Do you think that will work without the runoff? Okay, I'll show you what it will look like. Now look. I'll show you what it will look like right here. Look. I'll show you how it really falls. How it will really fall because it's very light. Probably why. And look. Look at this. Look, guys. Guys, look. Look, look, look. Look. Beep. Beep. Wow. It really good. Look at this. Nice repairs. Nice repairs. So, we're up to the final stage. A very big car. Let's just put it down. Beep. Let's just put it in here. It cannot turn, so it doesn't need a repair on the top, bottom. So let's just make it go up. Ah, it's so heavy. Well, thank you for watching. There's more videos here. There's more cars that I have to show you. These are the last 3 cars. But I know this one's funny. I know this one's really funny. Look. It's so little. It's so funny. I don't know why they made it. So that's why we're going to make it first. Beep. Beep. It just needs a top repair. Repair done. Ready for takeoff. Ah! Woo! Woo! That was fun. Look at it. It's nice repair now. But still looks funny. Let's see, we have 2 more cars to go. It could hit that little remote. It could hit the remote. You could see it. How it's aiming. I know it's hard to see how it's aiming, but you need the remote. And there's a little transform to make this down look. What? That's stuck. Put it back on yellow. That's 0. That's awesome because look. It just takes the repair, go back. This one needs a back repair too. See, that tickles. And they tickle too. Bum bum, ready for takeoff. That's a very bad takeoff. Ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1. Sorry guys, I think about this car. I know it really needs a repair, but go! Blast off! I know that's really scary. Oh wait, I was aiming it the wrong way. Put it back here. But we don't want to take another car repair. Look at that nice repair. We also, let's go to the look, we put some flames there on the little paint station. You know it has a paint station there. And on the back, there are stickers on the back here. There are pretty stickers on there. Well, we don't know what kind of stickers they are, so let's just go to the next customer. That final customer looks super cool. Bam! Super customer. This little thingy is stuck there. I hope he doesn't get stuck. There you go, car. Let's get you up there. Let's go for a little Sunday drive. I want to go a Sunday drive. It's your very own Sunday drive. All by yourself. Woo, 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 beep. Whee! That was a really fun day having this little Sunday drive. Let's paint it. We need this car to be painted too. Oh, and forgot about this car. Look at those little lightning. I know it's just for fun, but they're already painted like that. Let's go to the repair station. Bum, 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 bum. This is the repair station. There's this little repair station up there. Whoa! Wow, we got more wheel tires on it. But you know it's just for fun. More. Let's paint it now. Wow, that was a very good video of this. That was very fun for you to watch this. More videos of these coming soon. There's one gonna be next time of a little city. And good thing this has just the fold. This just needs the fold. Like that, and like that. Easy going storage. Good. You see that part, Rona? That part. It was this part. Look, you can see this part right there. It was this part right there. And it could hold in space. Let's just try one of the cars in it. It could have its very own long repair car wash. Bum bum, bum bum, bum bum. Forgot that car has to be done. Wow, look at that. Cars at night very neat in there. It cannot go up because look, it's put it in storage. Let's see if it could go up now. Could it? So let's take this out. Go up. That was very nice playing with you. Bye.